Hi everyone, my name is Barbara and I am from Warpin Media. Warpin started as a company 2 years ago and it was focusing only on VR and AR. We have since then grown into a company of 14 employees, and our main focus has ever since been the storytelling. Since that's been our focus from the very start, this also made us one of the first early developers to Magic Leap. And today I'm going to talk about a project that is all about the storytelling, but also had no marketing budget dedicated to it. So the project we worked on was a project that we collaborate on with Trygga Barnen, which is a foundation supporting children and young people who have close relatives that have problems with alcohol, other drugs, or mentally ill. What Trygga Barnen wanted to do is to raise an awareness about the impact that children have when they are growing up in such an environment. And they did so by using VR, which is one of the most emotional media there is right now. So in the film, you as a viewer are put in a position of a 10-year-old child and who lives in an abusive home, and you are taken through a very emotional experience with what this child goes through in their everyday. To measure all the emotional effects that we aim to achieve is we tested 36 people and a few influencers that had also an experience of growing up in an environment where one of the parents was having a problem with alcohol. So for this film we have teamed up with Wonderworld VR and with Tobii Pro to not only make the movie, but of course also to measure the emotional response. So how we measure this? We measured it by eye tracking and by a galvanic skin response, which is triggered by emotional stress. And the results we got from that is that 92% of people that have seen the video have experienced a very strong emotional reaction after seeing it. Apart from that, people looking to the video, 60% of them tried to look for help of the other parent in the video, which in that case was the mother. So it's a very, very heartfelt situation, but shown in a safe environment, which is VR. Since we didn't have a big marketing budget, well, any budget in that matter, we invited some of the influencers that have a connection to alcoholism to participate and to watch the video and then to share it through their social media channels. We filmed their reactions so you can see how they reacted to it.
Det var så jävla svårt att äta. Ska jag ge matare? Helvete.
Var femte barn växer upp i en familj där det dricks för mycket alkohol.
Vi försöker ju ha en trevlig middag och det enda hon gör är att sitta och ta nu då. Vad smakar då?
Men det här är superbra för att se det tydligaste tecknet på när någon föräldrar det är starkt skit.
Nej, men man slås tillbaka själv till hur det har varit när jag växte upp med min pappa.
Man ser det ur barnets ögon. Att man är så hjälplös.
So that was it. A bit shorter, but I hope that